pending for inauguration, and not only that, it is like I told you that we are trying our best to see that we are able to empower these and give them that type of scale of operation where equipment not just by the definition of the wellness center but what is beneficial to the public. आज हांगाच पळया तुमी कितल्या लोकांक जर गरज पडटा प्लस आय सेड मेडिसिन सप्लाय शुड बी सफिशियंट रायट फ्रॉम इन्सुलिन टू एवरीथिंग विल बी अवेलेबल हियर एंड इट विल नॉट बी समथिंग दॅट इज जस्ट फॉर नेम सेक वी आर ओपनिंग इट प्लस ब्लड डायग्नोस्टिक्स ताका तुका थंय सांगलां तेच आमी हे करतले म्हणजे लोकांक ताजो फायदो जातलो म्हणजे इवन कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर हेल्थ कडेन वचपाची गरज पडची ना बेसिकली टू कम एंड गेट युअर सेल्फ चेक वेदर यू गॉट अ हार्ट इशू और यू गॉट एनी इशू or basically you get your ECG checked or your medicine supply which the government gives free to all the patients that are registered. I mean this will be very beneficial.
Sir,
centers have got a specific purpose. Chikalim Hospital has to be upgraded in terms of manpower, staff, speciality so that we are able to see that whole Marmugao Taluka is serviced. Every MLA, whether it is Sankal, whether it is Daji Sarkar, whether it is Movin Gudino, everybody wants. He constantly keeps on. They are all constantly putting pressure that they need more specialized doctors, and we need to see that those specialized doctors are made available. It is not easy sometimes. That's why I moved another proposal that wherever we get the doctors, you take them on board. Whoever neighboring states also, if doctors are available, or local doctors are available, want to join, take them. We have also decided to increase the scale of the doctors who are willing to join services. So in different specialities, so that those specialities will be made available there, and then we can send. You know, we already now deliveries and all take place. That's the basic thing. But apart from that, what all we can do? Ophthalmology is there. But apart from that, you need specific specialties. See, dialysis is available there. STEMI is available there. But still, there is a demand for certain specialties and that should be made available.
So when we come to Vastu, we have got a renovated municipal building, but many offices like the deputy collector are still operating from Ravindra Bhavan, causing a lot of inconvenience to people.
राजी म्हणता नाही आता शिफ्ट होतो त्यांनी शिफ्ट करून
आम्ही त्यांना सांगलं जेव्हा म्हणून